I'm Scott from J-Rail Driveline Service. I'm going to show you guys how to measure for a drive shaft today. So there's a couple ways to do it. I'm going to show you the best way to do it though. So you take transmission yoke, part that goes into the transmission. This is basically a spline coming out of the transmission, tail shaft. So you take your yoke, stick it into the transmission as far as, and shove it in until it bottoms out. And you'll measure from the center of the U-joint to the center of the U-joint at the differential. If you happen to have a flange instead of a yoke, then you just measure to the face of that flange. Pretty basic. So if you don't happen to have your transmission yoke and you just have a transmission there and you just measure to the tip of the tail shaft, same thing to the center of the U-joint, right to the end of that. That's the best way. And if you have a flange, you measure to the flange. The other measurement we like to get to is if you measure to the seal to the center, but tip of the transmission is always works great. So that's J-Rail's drive shaft tip of the day.